Hi everyone, this is Kiko Vlogs, a Filipino actor based in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad gawa natin reaction video ang Dawn Bell compilation. Opo, pagpasensyahan nyo na po ako na medyo matagal ako bago nakapag-update or upload about sa Dawn Bell kasi po kakarating lang natin sa Pilipinas ng 28. Yes, buti na lang hindi tayo naabutan ng gera talaga, sa totoo lang. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Anong latest sa Dawn Bell? Ay, ang gwapo ni Donnie. Nakita na ba sila? Nasa asap pa sila na nakaraan? Ay, ito si Belle! May paalam muna. Ano si Belle, oh? Ay, si Kyle. Wala, iba na din yung tingin ko kay Kyle, eh. Nag-asap pa si Belle kahapon? Oh, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, Belle Mariano nyo. Ay! Ay! Hello? Nag-ano ba si Belle kahapon? Nag-perform? Bongga din si Belle, no? Okay. Okay. Nag-asap na siya kahapon. Ito. Ay, okay. Ay, ano to?
Donnie talaga is a special person.
Ay,
He's not just a blessing to me, but a blessing to our supporters too. Talagang sobrang husay niya, and you know, he's the type of guy na he's always
Grabe naman,
there
oh.
for you.
grabe naman ang words of affirmation yan, Belle. Wala pang aminan yan, Belle, na kayo na, ha?
Naman, di ba?
Yes.
Paano na lang, Belle, kung umamin na? Hindi sasabihin mo na lahat ng gusto mo.
Yes,
Ay,
of course.
parang narinig ko yung heat check sa box.
Number two, ano pa? How to spot a red
Correct.
flag.
Correct.
Siyempre, ang tagal namin na work, na-miss namin yung parang yung comfort siguro with
Ay.
each other, lalo na pag set, since alam na namin kung paano gumalaw yung isa't isa, may may rhythm na po kami. Good thing
May
din na,
rhythm.
kasi feeling ko yung time apart, nakapag-grow po kami para mas magawa namin yung best namin dito.
True.
Kung hindi naman po kami mag-work together or mag-work kami together, ano po kami, all about supporting each other. Parang feeling ko na-set po namin yung foundation namin ni Donnie na yun, na kahit magka-work tayo or hindi.
Grabe, tingnan mo kung magsalita siya. Tuloy-tuloy. Grabe siya magsalita.
Ano niya, spontaneous.
Tuloy-tuloy siya magsalita.
Ang dami niyang ideas, parang, huy, saan galing to? Parang minsan tumatawag na lang siya sa akin, uy, may naisip ako, pwede natin gawin to, ganyan. Na nakaka-surprise pa rin.
So, nagtatawagan sila. Chares!
Excited niya po sa work niya kasi.
So, nagtatawagan sila.
Anyway,
Sinasagot mo na ba?
Ay. Go. Oo naman. Chares, bakit hindi? Ay, ito. Hindi ko talaga ito.
Message po ni Donnie, sabi ko, kinakabahan ako, hindi kita ka-work. Siyempre kasi meron na kaming
Ano?
dynamics
Hmm.
together. Pero
I couldn't
think
agree
that was
more.
very
Iba talagang dynamics ng Dawn Bell din.
Since he's doing Roja and I'm doing Meet and Buy for this movie,
Hmm.
parang it allowed us to grow more. We've spoken about showing support as long as it's for the growth of each other. And that's what I love about us is that we're really
As long for the growth for each other. Na para bang pinayagan, okay na. As long as na mag-grow tayo, okay lang hindi tayo magka-work. Pero bakit ganun? Kung magka-love team lang kayo, dapat wala mga ganun, di ba? Di ba? Pero hindi lang sila love team eh.
Sir, talagang he was so hands-on and he never fails to surprise me and us
Hmm.
actually. Sa mga ideas niya, he never runs out of ideas. He's
Iba
the
din ang
most
Dawn Bell
spontaneous
talaga.
person.
Pas, totoo.
Blessing siya
Di
for
ba?
blessing sa lahat ng supporters namin. Oh, he's so supportive. He really is. And
Iba talaga sila,
I wouldn't
men.
be here without him, you know?
I wouldn't be,
Galing, no?
wow,
And
I
this
wouldn't
idea
be.
is by Donnie. As in, siya yung I remember he called me, sinabi niya sa akin, hey, I have an idea on how we can announce the movie.
Ah,
Nasa siya ngayon eh, sa ibang bansa siya ngayon eh.
oo.
But he knows that,
Oo, kala mo naman kasali ako. Di ba? Nakikinig ako.
He's very thoughtful and super, if he has comments, super well thought of talaga. So
Ah.
he's very insightful. Tony and I nga sinasabi namin na parang,
So, kailan i-announce? Charis, kailan i-announce sa kayo na?
so excited.
Eme. Eme lang. You don't know. Diba? Ay! Wait, what is this? Wait. Check ko pa kasi Don Bell. Ay! Parang Donnie na din the way siya manuot, no? Si Belle. Parang Donnie na din siya. Naka-cap, naka-black. Alam mo yon, yung very simple lang, pero pak! May dating, ganon. Di ba?
In 5 years, mas gumagawa po ako ng projects na mas challenge ako. Siguro nakapag-aral ako ng directing.
Ay, magdidirect ako
Gusto
sa
ko
Oh my
mag-direct.
God.
Gusto ko anything na media. I don't see myself po kasi doing something else other than this. Super love ko po yung work ko. Tayong users ng social media, we all have the power to change a person's lives.
Tama.
Be responsible enough, know what you put out there. Sana yung nilalabas nating content, good intentions. So think
Oo.
before you click po talaga.
Tama.
Ate po kasi ako eh. Meron na akong responsibility sa mga kapatid ko pa lang po na maging good role model.
Anong feeling mo pag tinatawag ka na New Gen Superstar?
Hindi ko alam.
New Gen
Hindi ko po siya
Superstar.
alam. Siyempre I don't know, thank you so much po. Nakakaano, grabe naman yung
Nakakaano.
title. Nakakatuwa po. And I will still do my best po to earn that title. And hindi ko naman po i-deny na Donnie talaga is a special person. He's not just a blessing to me, but a blessing to our supporters.
Okay, ay napanood na natin ito. Ay, that's ito ba?
Mr. Roja, totoo po bang iniisip ng lahat? Na alam niyo kung sa
Ay, ano to? Hindi ko to pwede panoorin. Ito.
Kinig-kinig talaga ako whenever I do scenes with him. It's really genuine. Ay, grabe naman yun. Parang may nag-level up ko. Donnie is a really a special person in my life. And I continue to feel
Special look talaga si Donnie sa kanya. Hindi mo kaya.
he's such a blessing.
Hindi mo kaya.
He's special, you know. He's someone close to my heart. That's all I can say. Matawag ko sa kanya, inasabi ko sa kanya gano'n mo kapag. And he was just there. He was very supportive, you know. We attended each other's screenings too.
Ay,
Grabe naman yun.
Sana bumait na rin po kayo.
Sorry po sa lahat ng mga... I love Olivia Dean.
Olivia Dean.
Cutie. Thank you so much po. Thank you, Let's see po. Kung kanina nito, hindi ko alam kung anong mararamdaman ko. I will do my best to prove that I'm deserving of that title. Ay, nag-usap kami isang beses po ni Donnie. Sabi ko, kinakabahan ako, hindi kita ka-work. Siyempre kasi meron na kaming, tawag doon, dynamics together. Pero I feel
yeah.
like it was very
Anyways, that is our for today's video from Don Bell Compilation. This is King Poplar. This is Ewan.